Step into luxury living in the Heights with this stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence, perfectly designed for modern comfort and style. From the moment you arrive, you'll appreciate the manicured landscaping and charming faade that set the tone for what's inside.Inside. Abundant natural light floods the open concept living area, where luxury tile flooring and designer finishes create an inviting ambience. The chef's kitchen features sleek granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a generous center island ideal for both casual breakfasts and entertaining guests. Sliding glass doors lead to a private outdoor patio, offering the perfect spot to unwind with morning coffee or host weekend barbecues. The spacious primary suite is your personal retreat, a walk-in closet, and a spa-inspired ensuite bath with dual vanities and a glass-enclosed shower. 2 additional bedrooms, each with ample closet space and easy access to the second full bathroom. Living in the Heights means enjoying resort-style amenities right at your doorstep. Cool off on hot afternoons in the sparkling community pool, let the kids explore the expansive park area, or gather with neighbors at the shaded picnic pavilions. With easy access to top-rated schools, trendy restaurants, and walking paths. Don't miss your chance.